to Real Times. I'm Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems, an Amphenol company. And this is Real Times, our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, meet some people, pretty much talk about everything coax. Today I have with me, again, Mr. David Kiesling, our Director of Global Sales. And we're going to talk about a new product. And this one I'm going to need your help with because what is that?
Ooh, that's a good question. So this
doesn't look like our normal coax cable.
No, it doesn't. It's not blue.
Right.
So this is our new entrant into our XtendedFlex.
XtendedFlex. Okay.
XtendedFlex category of cables. So
XF?
XF.
All right.
And as you can see, it is super flexible. Yeah, you can play around with it.
Super flexible. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yes. So we're seeing many applications now where cables are being bundled together, and for things like automation equipment, RF ablation, just cable assemblies where it's maybe for something with an IoT, you name it.
Okay.
But they're moving back and forth this way, that way, and so on. And so that requires slightly different engineering techniques. So typically in the old days, it was all about loss. Mm-hmm. Well, now you can see the cable's pretty small.
Yeah.
So this isn't about loss. This is about maintaining signal integrity all the way through the bundle. And on top of that, since cables are being bundled together, when I'm saying that, you may have fiber optic cable with it, or you might have some signal cables with it, monitoring some sensors and so forth. On top of having a piece of coax, you want that bundle to be as small as possible. So what's exciting about this is it's our smallest diameter XtendedFlex cable. So we have some that are slightly bigger, a little bit over 1/10 of an inch, kind of down and so forth. But on this one, we really focused on minimizing the diameter. And as you said, it's not blue. So instead of having a standard FEP jacket and so forth on it, we actually take another material and we just wrap it for the jacket, because this is actually going to be in a bundle which has another jacket over it. So we said, well, why do you need two jackets? You don't. And size was so important. So this will maintain the power, provide the flexibility and the connectivity and so forth that you need in a very robust package that, again, is quite tiny.
So how do we sell this? We sell it just as cables, as an assembly, or is it special design only?
This is pretty much included in other designs.
Okay.
So very rarely would you use this particular cable, would you go buy it from us in bulk, because you probably are looking at doing something else with it. The nice thing is we can do that something else. So we can do the bundling. We can optimize the bundle. We can put maybe a braid over that. We can help you with, we've done things like in the RF ablation where we've included saline lines with it and so forth.
For cooling, right?
For cleaning and so forth. So a little different than your typical cable bundle and so forth. So typically when you get into this, we're going to be working pretty closely with you on this type of solution.
Well, thank you for sharing this. Does not look like coax solution,
it
but
does not,
right?
Yes. So the one thing I do want to say though, when it comes to these XtendedFlex things, they really are XtendedFlex. So on a product very similar to this, just slightly bigger, we actually test for this.
Okay.
And we've got over 5 million flexures on this cable. So
5
we just
million?
We have a machine that just flexes it back and forth and back and forth, and it just does it at night, in the mornings, and so forth. We got to 5 million and we turned it off because we aren't seeing any degradation. We're like, we don't know when it's going to end.
Right.
So when we say extreme, we really do mean extreme.
Okay, so a lot of, like you said, automation, medical, any other industries?
I think anything you can imagine, right?
That has
Everything's
a lot of
moving
flexure.
around. And so when it needs to move, this is your solution.
This is it. Thank you very much, Dave. Appreciate it.
Great. Thank you, Carrie.
If you'd like to learn more about our XtendedFlex cable, please visit our website at timesmicrowave.com and feel free to give us a call as well. We can introduce you to one of our engineers to help design your custom solution. Thank you for watching our vlog. Like it, share it, and until next time, stay healthy and well.